ya kaunti ya Tharaka ithatu na shesheni ino igukorwo Kanjuki ikihe gya kwiga magetha thitima.
Very good engageful conversations around how we can partner to deliver last mile to ensure that transformers that have not been working for some years, which may be lost between conversations with the Ministry of Energy, Kenya Power, REREC and the counties are working.
Ultimately, we are not providing a service as an end to itself. We are providing a service to meet the needs of the counties, the industry, and all those who are beneficiaries of our services. And as Kenya Power, we greatly appreciate this engagement. Indeed, it has been in our plan to engage all the counties across the entire country.
Pertinent issue of the county aggregation industrial park powering, because the future of this country is aggregation, it is industry. That is where we have set our eyes on in terms of employment for our youth and those very many that are unemployed, ensuring that we switch on and start off the industrial park.
We already appreciate the role that Kenya Power is going to play in terms of powering them. The conversation that we have had today, of course, is also to give an indication of where some of these industrial parks are going to be, so that together we can plan and we can incorporate in our strategic plan.
Naguo ugitiri ni wongereirwo muhaka-ini ya Pokot ya ithwiro Embu na Marakwet.